Want to know how you can create a Temu account but don't know how to? Well, you are in the right place because in this video I'm going to teach you how you can simply create a Temu account without any problems. So first what you have to do is open your Temu app. As we all know, it is a popular shopping app, and then you will see an interface like this. So what you have to do is click on the sign in option after seeing an interface like this, simply click on the sign in button that is on the bottom right. Click on it and then you will see an UI like this. Then what you have to do is click on continue with Google and then select one of your emails. And here you go, your Temu account is ready to use. Here you can see your interface of what you have ordered and your credit balance, coupons and everything, and your Temu account will be now ready to use. So this was it on how you create a Temu account and use the app. So if you found this video, make sure to like and subscribe.